Welcome to the English Coffee Office. Today is Saturday, June 21, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, not bad. Just need this coffee to wake up.
Same here. I'm so tired from all the meetings this week.
Yeah, I get it. Hey, did you see the news about the global markets?
Which one? I read something on CNN Business this week.
Yeah, that one. They say markets are calm even with some big tensions in the world.
Oh, right. I saw that on the 17th of June, 2025.
Exactly. I think it's good for my sales if markets stay steady.
True. But I wonder if things change how it affects our projects.
Maybe. Let's hope it stays calm for now.
Yeah, we don't need more stress at work.
For sure. Hey, speaking of stress, did you hear about the tech news?
What tech news? Something big?
Yeah. I saw on CNN Business about new innovations driving companies forward.
Oh, I think I saw that too. Was it on the 19th of June, 2025?
That's the one. They're talking about tech changing how we work.
Yes, I read it. It's exciting, but I worry about keeping up with new tools.
Yeah, I'm still learning the old computer stuff.
Me too. But new tech can make projects faster, I think.
Maybe, but I just hope it doesn't mean more work for us.
Let's see. We'll figure it out.
Yeah, we always do. Oh, and did you catch that other story?
Which story? Something fun?
Yeah. It's about culture. I read on CNN about a huge event coming up.
Oh, really? What kind of event?
It's not a festival, but a big global thing for entertainment.
I think I missed that. Tell me more.
Well, it's all over the news from the 20th of June, 2025. Lots of people are excited.
That sounds cool. I like when big events bring people together.
Yeah, me too. Maybe we can watch some of it after work.
Good idea. It's nice to relax with something fun.
Totally. Hey, you got any big plans for today at work?
Oh, just the usual. I have a meeting at 11.
Oh, meetings. I've got 3 calls with clients today.
Busy day, huh? Good luck with that.
Thanks, I'll need it. How about you, busy too?
Yeah, very busy. I'm checking project updates all day.
Sounds tough. Don't work too hard, okay?
Haha, try. You two take it easy.
Deal. Hey, I better get back to my desk now.
Same here. See you later, David.
See you later, Alex. Have a good day.
You too. Catch up soon.
For sure. Take care.
Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.